Have you ever wondered why a diamond can scratch almost anything? Yet, a piece of graphite, the material inside your pencil, is so soft. Why? Here is the surprising part. Both diamond and graphite are made of the same element, carbon. So, how can the same element create one of the hardest materials on earth and one of the softest? Let us uncover the fascinating science behind diamonds. It's all about carbon. Everything begins with carbon atoms. Carbon is one of the most amazing elements because it can arrange its atoms in different ways. These different forms are called allotropes. Two of the most famous allotropes are diamond and graphite. Although both are made entirely of carbon, their atoms are arranged very differently, and that changes everything. The secret structure. Imagine building a house with bricks. If the bricks are loosely stacked, the house is weak. But if every brick is tightly connected to four others, the structure becomes incredibly strong. That's exactly what happens inside a diamond. Each carbon atom forms four strong covalent bonds with four neighboring carbon atoms. These bonds create a giant three-dimensional structure, crystal network that extends throughout the entire diamond. There are no weak layers or gaps. To scratch or break a diamond, you would have to break these extremely strong chemical bonds. That is why diamond is the hardest naturally occurring material on earth. How diamonds are formed? Diamonds don't form near Earth's surface. They are created 140 to 200 kilometers beneath the Earth's crust, where temperatures can exceed 1000 degrees Celsius and pressures are more than 50,000 times the pressure at sea level. Under these extreme conditions, carbon atoms are forced into the tightly bonded diamond structure. Volcanic eruptions later carry diamonds closer to Earth's surface through special rocks called kimberlite. Some diamonds are more than 3 billion years old, making them older than many mountains and even some continents. Diamond versus pencil lead. Now let us compare diamond with graphite. In graphite, each carbon atom bonds with only three neighboring carbon atoms, forming flat sheets. These sheets are held together by very weak forces. When you write with a pencil, these layers slide over one another and easily rub off onto paper. That's why graphite feels soft. Diamonds has no sliding layers, only an incredibly strong network of bonds. Same element, completely different arrangement, completely different properties. More than just jewelry. Diamonds are not valuable only because they are beautiful. Their incredible hardness makes them useful for cutting, drilling, polishing, and grinding extremely hard materials. Diamonds are also excellent at conducting heat, making them useful in electronics and advanced scientific equipment. Today, scientists can even grow synthetic diamonds in laboratories, and these are widely used in industry. The secret behind a diamond's incredible hardness is not its chemical composition, it's the way its atoms are arranged. It's a perfect example of how changing the structure of a material can completely change its properties. The next time you see a diamond, remember you are looking at billions of carbon atoms locked together in one of nature's strongest structures. Here is an amazing fact. Although diamonds is the hardest and naturally occurring materials, it is not impossible to break. If struck sharply in the right direction, a diamond can split along special planes in its crystal structure. Hardness means resistance to scratching, while toughness means resistance to breaking. A diamond ranks highest in hardness. If you enjoyed this video, please do like, share, subscribe our channel Vyapti Curious Minds. Save Earth, Save Life. Thank you.